If you watched my video before this, you're probably like, she really did go straight into a new video. Yes, I did. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today is going to be a shop with me. I'm not going to do a super long intro like I always say because it's a vlog. We're going to be shopping. I'm going to show you guys around, so I hope you guys like it. If you do and you want me to do more videos like this, give it a thumbs up and I will. So let's go shopping.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile.
Hey guys, I'm back home now, and I'm gonna do this really quickly because the kids want to go play at the playground. Got these soft shorts just for home, and a set of pajamas for Emir. It comes with one top and two bottoms, like a shorts and a long pants. And this one also, it's like a dinosaur theme. It comes with these cute little pants and some striped shorts. And this one is for Ruby. I think I showed these while we were there. We love Sun Chips, so I thought we would love the variety pack of the individuals. So let's see how we like this one. I stocked up on Oreos, of course. Dishwasher detergent, Cascade Complete. More bread. Organic oatmeal dark chocolate chunks that I showed you guys in the store. We got a honeydew. This I also showed you guys. Pistachios. Oh my gosh, I almost slipped on a paintbrush. The chair saved me. Dried cherries. I also did get the gray pair of Pumas. The elderberry ones, I didn't have them. They didn't have the elderberry ones in my size, so I just got the gray. These were only $25. That's a huge deal. The black and teal ones and the white, gray, and blush colored ones, I got those for home. This set of books is for Ruby, just for her to read during the summer. It's the whole collection. Looked interesting and thought she might like this, so I cut that for her. Goodness, I'm going so fast. I'm bumping into everything. We got some turkey jerky that we were eating while we were in there because we were super hungry. I picked up the organic roasted kale with sea salt. Never had these before, but I've tried this brand before, so it was a different flavor. I think it was like it wasn't an orange package. It's on my Instagram from a long time ago. Haven't had them since then, so excited. Apricots I showed, we already ate some. More body wash for the kids. And this book, The 5 Little Monkeys with 5 stories. I think there's 8 stories in here for Emir. Sultan wanted this Pinkalicious set. The stories for Olivia are always really funny and cute. More cereal. Sultan switched up and didn't get plain Cheerios this time. She got the multi-grain ones. I got Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Olives that I showed you guys earlier. I went ahead and picked this up. The last time I was there, I saw it, and I thought to include it in my kitchen video, but I didn't this time. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and get it. So it's really convenient. You can put all your spices in here. It'll be somewhere out on the countertop when it's actually clean because it's kind of a mess in here right now. What's this? Oh, got some pitted dates. Something's already in the fridge. We got some more cheese. This truffle cheese is so good. Salmon, snapper. Is there anything else cold that we got? I think that was it. We were supposed to get berries, but we had to go. I forgot to get a command hook for the wreath. And that was everything. I'm gonna take the kids to go play now. I'm excited to come back and open up my boxes. I have bedding and some bathroom stuff in there. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you all in my next video.